Remember, when putting your house on the market, your house must be decluttered and depersonalized. What does that mean? That means stage the house with your stuff. So not your grandkids' stuff that they painted for you. Please leave out the religious side of your family. Not everybody is religious. If you have any altars or anything like that, please take them down. Any family photos or things of that nature on your walls, take them down. Put things up that say, I love my house, or house rules, or colors that complement the color on the wall. If you have a light gray, grab a photo or a picture from Walmart, Big Lots, JCPenney's, wherever you want to buy it that has grays and blues in it. Depersonalize and declutter your home. Make it look like it is a brand new home. If you need help, I'm here for you. Thank you, Pearl Ahlquist-Ruby.